Now, when a man of the caliber of the Grace Kennedy chairman, the Honorable Douglas O'Rain, throw him con and don't call no foul, we must take heed. Mr. O'Rain was, of course, speaking at the R.J. Glena Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year award ceremony. All the sporting bodies going around seeking sponsorship. Listen keenly. Throw your con, my boss.
It's mandatory to have implemented good corporate governance. These governance codes go further. They mandate annual board evaluations, annual surveys of athletes to get their feedback, risk management processes, training of directors and executive committee members, developing a skills matrix to lead to the right mix of talent to run the organizations, and ensuring appropriate voting rules. Interestingly, there's also a recommendation that the maximum tenure for service on these organizations be 9 years.
You see that? You hear that? Control. No phone, no call. But seriously though, that is the Honorable Douglas O'Rain basically telling Jamaican sporting bodies in a nutshell to get on the houses in order, clear out the party shop and institute good corporate governance practices. And the last lick about the 9-year term limit. Watch out, Mr. O'Rain is saying, you all handle your business before you all come knocking at the doors of Grace Kennedy or any other corporate door. Or the door of the public.